to be back in the kitchen as usual. Okay, so now I've made the cloud herb mince bar. But as you can see, here I made half with the fat free and I made half with the cream oil. So there is the fat free and here is the cream oil. So I'm going to make a klein happy that you guys can see the consistency of the cream oil. Sien julle hoe dun is hy daar? And then you can almost see that the density of the fat free is more like a bread. Look at the difference. There's the fat free, there's the cream oil. You guys can see the difference there, okay? So with the cloud herb mince pie, Spar fat free milk powder, normal creamer, cream oil is a creamer. There we go.